Hi there, my name's Allison with Zen Paws Pet Grooming, and today I would like to show you how to grind your dog's nails with a nail Dremel. We have Josie here as our fabulous model, and she is a very, very good girl. Not all pups are as good as you, Josie. Do you know that? She says, I know. I know I'm great. Now, we're gonna start out with the front feet. I've already Dremeled one. Whoop. Let's see if we can get that to focus. So we've already made Josie's nails nice and smooth on this paw. So we're gonna do this one. And the best way to go about it, I usually like to go from behind the dog with my non-dominant hand grasping their paw, with my thumb and forefinger grasping the toe that I would like to work on. And then in my other hand, I'm gonna be holding this pet Dremel. I'm gonna put it on the low setting. If you've never done it before, I would recommend using it on the low setting. What is that? What is that? You know what that is, huh? So, grasping the paw between my thumb and my forefinger, I'm going to take my other thumb, place it on top of my left thumb here, and I'm going to take the Dremel, and with firm, steady pressure, I'm going to come up underneath the nail and go up towards the top. And a gentle sweeping motion. And then I'm gonna kind of go up the sides, and then from the bottom to the top again. And I'm gonna repeat that a couple times until I see a wet spot in the middle here. See if I can get a good view of that. Oh, I'm sorry, Josie. So you'll notice you can kind of see her quick there. It looks like a wet pink spot, and you're gonna wanna stop at that point. So let's repeat the process with this nail. We're gonna go up and over, and we're gonna come up the sides, and we're gonna come up and over again, and up the sides. Just shaving it away a little bit at a time, going slow and taking our time because we don't wanna hit that quick with the grinder. It's not a fun experience. So right here, you can see perfectly, that pink spot is her quick, so we're gonna stop there. We'll clean up the sides a little bit more so it's nice and smooth. And we're gonna repeat the process for each nail. We're gonna go up from the bottom, over the top, up the sides to the top. Josie, I'm sorry. You're being so good. Josie's like, I've had enough. Going too slow. And we'll feel that to make sure it's nice and smooth, and we'll just go on to the next nail. And that is the best way to Dremel a dog's nails. Josie, you're a very good model. So of course, in a perfect world, every dog would be this still. Josie is just a pro at getting her nails done. To do the back feet, it's the same kind of method. I will reach under the dog, grasp the foot with my non-dominant hand, and just repeat that process. Now if you have a wiggler, you can turn them so their side is facing you. Reach under them, grab that foot and hold it straight behind, being careful not to pull too hard on this hip joint. And you can do what we like to refer to as horseshoeing, and you can go from behind. Same way, you grasp that toe and you go from the bottom to the top, being real careful and mindful of where that quick is. You can do the same thing for the front feet. If you've got a wiggly pup, you can come from the side and you can gently hold their foot under their carriage and go about it that way. So it's all about what is the most comfortable for your pet. We don't want to see them struggling and pulling a lot. Injuries can happen with these, so just always try to keep in mind that if your pet is not in a calm state, if your pet's getting really upset and stressed out, take a break, try some treat, try giving them some treats and reassuring them, and just go slow. It's not a race, it's not a contest, and you know, it's a learning process for sure. I hope this video was helpful. If I didn't cover anything and you have questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see another tutorial, let me know what you want to see. Thanks so much for watching.